Welcome to the backyard. I'm Muire Jones, and we are here in Pueblo, Colorado, and we're going to talk about the 3038E. The 3038E is great for larger property owners. It has 38 horsepower and an awesome workhorse machine. This unit is turbocharged, and it will perform at its max in elevation as well as your lower properties. When you go up in elevation, the air gets thinner and a lot of vehicles don't function to their highest capacity. With this unit, it's gonna have that bigger air intake so that when you're in elevation, you'll still get your max 38 horsepower. The 3 Series is equipped with the 300E loader. Its lift capacity at its highest level is 1,300 pounds. Great for those bales of hay and anything else you need on that property. The 3 Series is a larger frame and it's gonna have that higher stance, so there is a step for you to easily get in this unit. This machine is diesel along with our 2 Series tractors, and they do have DPF, which is the emissions control, and it will need to cycle and get off the machine. These tractors will auto-regen on their own. If you need to hold that off, there is a button here that you can hold off the regen until a better time. As long as you let it regen while you work, it's gonna raise up those RPMs, it's gonna get really hot, melt off that soot, and it's gonna perform more efficiently for you. In all of our machines, we have a great seatbelt. Make sure to always use your seatbelt. And we have this ROPS, or rollover protection system. In case something does happen, you are safely secured in your seat. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. Foot on the brake, put it in neutral. You're gonna let that warm up and cycle through before you turn the key. In this unit, to engage the 4-wheel drive, you're gonna reach down and pull up on this lever and your 4-wheel drive is engaged. Come on around to the other side and I'll show you a couple other features. Now, this machine is hydrostatic, so you have your forward and reverse pedals right next to each other, easy to maneuver. Right here on the side, you have your 3-point PTO to raise and lower your 3-point, and a locking toggle system so that your 3-point stays where you put it. The loader also has a great emblem right here that will show you how to operate which direction for the loader. Let's go ahead and give this a try. You're gonna put on the brake and release that emergency braking system. I'm gonna put it in low gear. Now, as you pull up to your pile, you wanna just drop that bucket, raise that RPM, get a nice big scoop, and curl it in. This is the 3038E. If this tractor is a little too big, a little too small, come on down, get in the seat, try it out, and we'll find the perfect size tractor for you.